This is Grant from AES Synoptics, and I'm here at our Sacramento plant. And what I'm going to show today is where the market for prismatic skylights have come from. This is our 45th anniversary of the Sunoptics brand, which is the originator and inventor of the modern prismatic skylight, as well as the entire prismatic skylighting industry today. And what I have here is actually two different units in two different types of plastics. And back when the prismatic market first started here on the West Coast, majority of the products that were being made were made out of an acrylic product. And that acrylic product would have some impact modifiers to it. But when you're in a market like California, Arizona, places where you do not get hail, high impact from high winds and that sort of thing, acrylic is a product that will just last for years in the sun. And this acrylic is actually an 18-year-old recycled skylight that came off of one of our national accounts under our AES Reclaim program that we're piloting. Around 2008, 2009, Sunoptics actually brought out the very first FM-approved Polycarbonate Prismatic Skylight, FM 4431 for impact, and it's actually even 2-inch hail rated. And that's the difference between polycarbonate and acrylic, is that with a polycarbonate, I can hit this thing as hard as I want. You imagine all the hail, imagine places even with this that you can utilize in high velocity hurricane zone. Now, this product is going to be one that's going to be around for 20 years, but we even have applications that are 40 years old with acrylic. But in California, where it doesn't have hail, when you started to put it in other places, like things like Oklahoma, places like Kansas, where they do get hail, it's very simple to get through it. And that's the difference. Is today, polycarbonate used to be the premium, but today it is actually the cost-effective solution because it's in everything you utilize, your cars and everything else. And this is what we've been trying to get people to utilize in those markets dating back to the 2008, 2009. They chose acrylic mostly because of the cost, but today, the cost-effective and impact-protected, this is the product. And this is Sunoptics Prismatic Skylights.